I was very surprised by people who show me their sympathy in internet, but I was very disappointed about the people who say that I'm a liar and they try to disgrace me and tell that I was not true. It's true, everything I do is true. And this Romanian woman right now, I know she live in her country and she help her family and she live very well. I think investment by other Qatari in neighborhood of Paris is a very good thing, because French government live this part of France and we must do something to these people. I hear about the last iPhone and of Apple, and I see many people waiting for the iPhone 5, and I don't understand that people can put $500 to a little thing like that, and then they cannot give €2 to people who don't have to eat. I will go to the store. I will not have to wait. I will take the maximum of iPhone that I can buy, and I will put it in the trash because I don't want that. It's not necessary for life. Materialism and money don't make the happiness. That was the last stain that they have in the store. And the rule of the store it's that they can give no more than 5 per person, and this is the last 5, and they're scared to have their steak over. That's why they give me just that, and they tell me this is over. Allahu A'lam where and who will take this iPhone 5. I'm billionaire. I have all the money that I want. I have everything that I want, but I'm not happy with that. Next time, to the next video, I will do something amazing, giant for many people, and I will give many things. It will be very great.